Before we get to today's cleaning, let me explain why I have an amber overheated stainless steel kettle. Phew! I think slightly vintage, I'm not sure of the year. I bought this new off Amazon a little while ago, maybe 2 years ago now. It's called a Fino, purportedly made in Japan, and it just perpetually rusts. Now it's clean in there right now because I clean it with scouring powder, barkeeper's friend. If I leave any water in there at all, it rusts. And this is supposed to be 18-8 stainless steel. I have a ton of Farberware that's supposedly 18-0 and it never rusts. So this is crappy steel. So I finally got upset enough to say, "You're out of here!" And when you're on Amazon looking at kettles that, you put in 304 stainless steel, which is supposed to be today's 1810, you still find reviews talking about rust and corrosion. It's very frustrating. That's why I went on eBay to try and find an 1810 kettle. This is a Happy Day Kyung In Industries Company. I've already cleaned this. We'll explain it in a second. Just the center. I believe it's a South Korean company. No vent on the lid. I already cleaned in here. I have not polished the outside, but you can see the amber? It's very, very amber, overheated. Maybe they let it sit empty on the stove. Very difficult to clean. Barkeeper's friend. The problem with Barkeeper's friend is it's very abrasive. So if you really go over this with Barkeeper's friend, you're likely to get rid of the amber after a while. I tried a spot on the other side. It would have taken a long time, and maybe I'd lose this beautiful shine, which is wonderful on stainless steel. Then this morning I'm thinking, what can you use? I tried vinegar. People recommend vinegar, and I thought, let's try our favorite, Mother's Mag. It's a wonder polish. And I did a patch over here. Now, I don't know if you can see. Can you see? I did this area here just twice. I did a patch from top to bottom. I started here, and the second time I went up and down. But you can see where the amber stops. And it's not done. That's just 2 passes though, lightly rubbed. So today we're gonna do the rest. We're gonna try and get this looking like nice, clean stainless steel. I don't know how old this kettle is. It could be a couple of years, it could be 10 years old. I don't know. I was able to find Kyung In Industries Company, but no information, no tea kettles made by them. Happy Day! Roll tape! So I'd say we're over 90% finished. There's still a little amber around the base. Maybe I'll work on it again next weekend. The inside. Because I can't get my hand in there, I used a Brillo pad and this steel brush. Poured in some Barkeeper's Friend, dropped the Brillo pad in. With the brush I could reach in and move it around. That was pure elbow grease. Otherwise everything else was Mother's Mag. I'm very happy with it. Thanks for joining me this Saturday before Christmas. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.